YouTube is huge, like really huge. It's a platform that has revolutionized the way we consume content, offering a vast array of videos on every topic imaginable. From educational tutorials to entertaining vlogs, YouTube has it all. Millions of people watch videos every single day. Whether they're commuting, taking a break at work, or relaxing at home, YouTube is a constant companion. It's a place where people come to learn, laugh, and be inspired. Want to stand out from the crowd? You gotta be smart. With so much content out there, it's crucial to find ways to make your videos unique and engaging. It's not just about having great ideas, it's about executing them flawlessly. That's where YouTube automation comes in. Imagine having tools that can help you streamline your workflow, making the process of creating and uploading videos more efficient. Automation can handle repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on creativity. Picture this: your videos are being created, edited, and uploaded all while you're chilling. Sounds awesome, right? Automation can take care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to enjoy more free time while still growing your channel. Well, AI is making this dream a reality. Advanced algorithms can analyze your content, suggest improvements, and even optimize your videos for better reach. It's like having a team of experts working for you around the clock. It's like having a super-powered assistant for your channel. This assistant can help you with everything from editing to SEO, ensuring that your videos get the attention they deserve. It's a game changer for content creators. Ready to level up your YouTube game? Let's dive in. With the right tools and strategies, you can take your channel to new heights. Embrace the power of automation and watch your YouTube journey transform. Creating awesome content is key, but it can be a ton of work. AI tools can help. They can generate video ideas, write scripts, and even create entire videos for you. Imagine typing in top 10 smartphones and having a full video script ready to go. That's the power of AI. These AI tools are getting smarter every day, making content creation a breeze. Writing engaging scripts can be tough. AI can help you structure your videos, write compelling intros and outros, and even add in jokes. Some AI tools can even analyze trending videos and suggest what topics to cover. With AI by your side, you'll be writing scripts like a pro in no time. Video editing is crucial, but it can be super time-consuming. AI-powered editing software can help you edit your videos faster and easier than ever before. These tools can automatically cut and arrange clips, add music and sound effects, and even create special effects. With AI handling the technical stuff, you can focus on what matters most: creating awesome content. Section 5: Thumbnails. That pop thanks AI. Thumbnails are super important. They're the first thing people see, so they gotta be eye-catching. AI can help you create thumbnails that grab attention and get those clicks. There are AI tools that can generate thumbnail ideas, suggest the best colors and fonts, and even add cool graphics. With AI-powered thumbnails, your videos will stand out from the crowd. Section 6: Scheduling and posting. Let AI do the heavy lifting. In today's fast-paced digital world, managing your YouTube channel can be a daunting task. But what if you could delegate some of that workload to artificial intelligence? Timing is everything on YouTube. The moment you choose to release your content can significantly impact its success. Posting at the right time can mean the difference between a video that goes viral and one that gets lost in the shuffle. You want to post your videos when your audience is online and ready to watch. Understanding your audience's behavior is crucial. When are they most active? When do they prefer to engage with content? These insights can help you maximize your reach and engagement. AI can analyze your audience's viewing habits and suggest the best times to post. By examining patterns and trends in your viewers' activity, AI can provide data-driven recommendations that take the guesswork out of scheduling. It can even automate the entire scheduling and posting process for you. Imagine having a tool that not only tells you the best times to post, but also handles the actual posting for you. This level of automation can save you hours of manual work. That means you can set it and forget it, freeing up your time to focus on other things. Whether it's creating new content, engaging with your audience, or simply taking a well-deserved break, AI allows you to reclaim your time and energy. Embrace the power of AI and let it do the heavy lifting for you. Section 7: Understanding your audience with AI analytics. Knowing your audience is key to YouTube success. AI analytics tools can give you deep insights into who's watching your videos, what they like, and what they don't like. This information is super valuable. You can use it to create better content, target your videos more effectively, and grow your channel faster. AI takes the guesswork out of understanding your audience. Section 8. AI and YouTube, a powerful partnership. AI is revolutionizing how we create and consume content on YouTube. From generating video ideas to analyzing viewer engagement, AI tools are making life easier for creators. This partnership is only going to get stronger in the future. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more powerful and innovative tools for YouTube automation. The future of YouTube is here, and it's powered by AI. Section 9. The future of YouTube. Automation, more AI, more growth. AI is changing the game for YouTubers. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, content creators now have access to tools that were once unimaginable. These tools are not just enhancing the quality of videos, but are also streamlining the entire production process. It's making it easier than ever to create high-quality content, reach a wider audience, and grow your channel. Imagine being able to produce videos that are not only visually stunning, but also highly engaging. AI can analyze viewer preferences and suggest content ideas that are more likely to resonate with your audience. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more exciting developments in YouTube automation. From automated video editing to AI-driven content recommendations, the future holds endless possibilities. AI can even help in optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve searchability and viewer engagement. Imagine AI tools that can personalize videos, create interactive content, and even predict what your viewers want to see next. These tools can analyze viewer behavior and tailor content to meet their specific needs, making your channel more appealing and engaging. And that's not all. AI can also translate your videos into different languages in real time, breaking down language barriers and allowing you to reach a global audience. This means your content can be enjoyed by people from different parts of the world, expanding your reach and influence. Embrace the power of AI and take your YouTube channel to the next level. By leveraging these advanced tools, you can not only enhance the quality of your content, but also achieve significant growth. The future of YouTube is here, and it's powered by AI. So, get ready to explore new horizons and unlock the full potential of your creativity with AI-driven solutions.